Hello everyone, as you know that we are completing all the PIQs from Npsc chapter wise, and today's chapter is your average. And in this video I'll be solving all the average question that came in an Npsc examination in last 10 years. So let's start. Okay, so before that I'll just give you a brief idea about average. What average is? देखो average ना क्या होता है, देखो I won't give you the technical terms and all. देखो 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. What is the average of this number? You have to just simply add all the numbers. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 and divide by total numbers. There are 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is your total sum. Total sum. This is your total sum. Total sum is your 20, 5 and 5. Yes, 20 by 5, that is your 4. So your average is 4. Okay, समझ में आ गया? Now I just want to give you one more thing. If you want total sum na, if any question, if you see one total sum, just do this calculation: average into total number. What is the average here? देखो, average 4, and how many numbers were there? 5. So 4 into 5, 20, and you got the total sum. Okay, chalo, let's start the questions now. Okay, this is kind of conceptual question, data sufficiency ka. So I'll just solve in the last. Okay, chalo. Okay, we'll start from this. They are saying that the average age of Sachin and Ganguly is 35 years. Just write Sachin plus Ganguly. Like Sachin and Ganguly both were a cricketer. Now they have retired from the international cricket. Okay, chalo. So 35 was the average, but if you want the total age, then multiply with 2, that will be 7. So total age of Sachin and Ganguly is 70. Now see here, they are saying if CAF replace Sachin, the average became 32. तो CAF ना replace करता है सचिन को, CAF and Ganguly now, because CAF is replacing Sachin. Now the average is, they are saying 32. But if you want the actual total age, then it will be 64. Now in the next sentence, they are saying if CAF replaces Ganguly, then the average becomes 38. So now CAF is replacing Ganguly. It means CAF and Sachin will be there. The average age is 38. So just multiply into 2. So it's your 76. Now see in these two equations. See, there are two caps, so just write two caps. Got it? Plus Ganguly and Sachin. Now tell me, what is the age of Ganguly and Sachin? What is the total age of Ganguly and Sachin? Like in the first equation we have solved, Ganguly and Sachin's age is 70. So just write 70 here. Got it? After that, just write their total age. This one, we are just solving this one now. So this is your 140. From here we got 140. Now check 2CAF equals to 140 minus 70, because this 70 will go that side. So CAF equals to 140 minus 70, this is 70, and this 2 will be as a denominator. So 35. Now we got the age of CAF is 35. Now check here, Sachin and Ganguly's average age was 35 and CAF's age is also 35. So in that way we can say that Sachin plus Ganguly plus CAF total age will be, because their total age was 70, Sachin and Ganguly, and CAF 35, so just 35. So their total age is 105. Got it? समझ में आ गया? Their total age is 105. Now see, if the average age of Dhani nahi re, Dhoni, okay? Dhani is different, okay? Dhani means rich. In Hindi we call rich. Dhoni and Irfan be half of the average age of Sachin, Ganguly and CAF. Just tell me what is the average age of Sachin, Ganguly and CAF if you are smart enough. देखो Sachin and Ganguly average age was 35, but Cap is also 35, so their average age is 35. Okay, and they are saying Dhoni and Irfan was half of the average age of them. So Dhoni plus Irfan, Dhoni plus Irfan, 35 by 2. Okay, okay, but if you want the average, if you want the actual age, total age, then what you have to do, you have to multiply with 2. Why multiply with 2? Because two people are there, then you will get the total sum. 2 into 2, that is 35. So Dhoni and Irfan's total age is 35. Sachin Ganguly Cap's total age is 105. Now they are saying that what is the average of total 5 people? Total people 5, 105 for these 3 people, this 3 player, and Dhoni and Irfan 35. Divided by how many people? 5. So it's your 140 by 5, it means 28. So 28 years answer. This one is the answer. Okay, थोड़ा सा complicated है, but if you know the average, it's not complicated. Okay, because it's a mains question. Okay, and those are clearing prelims, you should be good in CSET. थोड़ा सा तो अच्छा हो जाओ CSET में, ठीक है ना? चलो. Okay, interesting question. What is the average of first 100 natural numbers? अब देखो natural number कहाँ से start होता है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dot 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 till 100. Now they're asking their average. So what do you have to do? You have to add all the numbers. But is it humanly possible in exam hall? घर पे तो कर लेगा 1 plus 2 plus, but exam hall में humanly impossible. To get an average, you need the total sum. Total sum चाहिए ना? Total sum by total number. आपको तो ये दोनों चाहिए ना? To get the average. Total sum कैसे निकालेगा? Total number तो 100 numbers will be there because first 100 natural number. Total sum कैसे निकालेगा? Whenever you see this kind of series 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 3 5 4 5 6 like ना, so what you have to do, if it's starting from 1, what you have to do, there is a formula called n into n plus 1 by 2. By this formula you will get the sum of the series. Now tell me how many numbers are there if you count till 100. 100 numbers will be there, so n is your 100 and n plus 1, that is your 101 by 2. 2 से divide करोगे, that is 50. So 50 into 101, it means your 50 50. Now tell me total sum 50 50. Total number 100. So divide करेगा तो it will be 50.50. So this is your answer. Easy one. What do you have to remember? This one. Sum of the natural numbers. Okay, चलो first से start होना चाहिए. चलो. Otherwise there is one more formula, a plus l, like that. चलो. Now it's even more interesting. What is the average of first 99 even numbers? Before that, अच्छा देखो, first 99 even numbers. What you have to do now? First even number 2, then 4, then yours 6, then 8, then 10, then 12, then ऐसा करके चलता जाएगा ना. 99 numbers will be there, not till 99, total 99 numbers. कितना है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, ऐसा करके total 99 even numbers will be there, and you have to add. Again, it's humanly impossible to add in the exam center, है ना? But there is a basic concept. First check this one. Just assume there is no 99, there is first 2 even numbers average. So if I say first 2, or I can write 2 like this also. Just a second. Chalo. First 2 even numbers average. So what are the first 2 even numbers? You will say, sir, 2 and 4. What will be their average? 2 plus 4 by 2. So it's 6 by 2, that is 3. If I say first 3 even numbers average, you will say, sir, 2, 4 and 6 average 2 plus 4 plus 6 by 2, that is yours 3. 12 by 3, that is your 4. If I say first 4 even numbers average, so you'll say sir 2, 4, 6 and 8, and there will be 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 by 4 numbers are there, so 20 by 4, that is your 5. Now check the pattern. If they are asking first 2 even numbers average, the answer is 3. If they are asking first 3 even numbers average, the answer is 4. If they are asking first 4 even numbers average, the answer is 5. Every time 1 is increasing. Every time 1 is increasing. So the pattern is, if they are asking the first 99 even number, 1 will be increasing plus 1. So if the answer will be 100. आया समझ में? Understood? Yes, this is the answer. समझ में आ गया? So for even number just add 1, but it should be starting from first. Okay, it should be starting from first. Now the same question, if I give first 99 odd numbers average, तब क्या करेगा ना, दिमाग में घुसा लो, take in your mind, be careful, whenever they are saying odd, then don't add plus 1, just write the number 99. This is the answer. First 99 odd numbers average 99. You can check by yourself and copy. First 99 even numbers average 100. First, if I say first 39 odd numbers average, क्या हो जाएगा? 39 itself. Got it? If you want proof, you can solve it by yourself. चलो, next. What is the arithmetic mean of the following numbers? Add करो सबको, देखो 60 and 70, 130, 137. 137 by how many numbers? 5 numbers are there. So it's your 2 times, 7 times and then 4 times. 274. Got it? समझ में आ गया? There was a -1, okay? Sorry, -5, that's why you minus. And mean है ना? Mean means average, you can say. Mean is a statistical term, that is mean, median and mode, but it's similar to average. It's an average. चलो. Next. The average marks of 100 students are given to be 40. Got it? It was found later that the marks of one student was 53, which was mislead as 83. The marks should be 53, but it mislead as 83. So कितना ज़्यादा हो गया है? 30 ज़्यादा हो गया. We have written 30 more in the marks. We have calculated 30 more in the average. So if you want the actual corrected average or mean, so you have to minus 30. Minus 30. Because 30 हमने ज़्यादा लिख दिया है, we have to minus 30. But that data is for 100 students, so that's why divided by 100. So you have to minus 0.3 from the actual average. So 40 minus 0.3, that is your 39.7. So this is your answer. Okay, got it? समझ में आ गया? We had written 30 ज़्यादा, more. So we had to minus 30. But 30 is not for one student, that is for 100 students. That's why we divided by 100. Then 0.3 and 0.3 just minus from average. Chalo, next. This will be your homework, okay? Data sufficiency question. I want you guys to solve and comment the answer. Okay, the average marks of 13 paper is 40. Okay, just write like this. 1 paper, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 and 13. अच्छा, 13 papers average is 40. So total average total कितना हो जाएगा? 40 into 13, that is 520. इतना तो हमको मालूम है. Total marks will be 520 because average 40, so 13 paper का 520. The average of first 7 paper is 42. So first 7 paper, this one, they are saying 42. So total कितना हो जाएगा? 42 into 7, that is your 294. They are saying that, and the last 7 paper average is 35. Last 7 paper means this one, this 7. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 35. And multiply into 7, that is your 210 and 35, 245. Now check. 7 counted twice. That's why the total sum will be increased. It will be your 9, 3 and 5. Now check, it's supposed to be 520 but it became 539. Why? Because 7 counted twice. So if you want the seventh paper ka number, just minus 539 and 520. So 19 हमने ज़्यादा लिख दिया है. Why? Because we have counted twice this 7. That's why the 7 is your 19 marks. Chalo, this is your answer. Easy one? Yes, it was easy. Next question. Okay, this is a cricket related question but average question. Run rate average same होता है. चलो, in a limited over cricket of the 50 overs, the run rate during the first 10 over was 4. It means every over batsman was scoring 4 runs for next 10 overs. So the total run would be 40. है ना? Because 4 runs every over, and for 10 overs it will be 40. And the target, if the target was 350 and 40 runs we have already scored, so minus करते हैं. Now we need 310 runs. Okay, then the run rate required in the remaining 40 overs. So we have to score this run in 40 overs. 310 and 40 overs में करना है. So it will be your 7.75. In 1 over we need 7.75 runs. Okay, so this is your answer. We need the run rate of 7.75. Okay, got it? Easy one. So we have skipped one question, data sufficiency. In the beginning, just solve that one. Okay, this one 2024 pre-question, but question was, I won't say hard, it will be moderate. Huh? It was moderate. This is your question. In a cricket team, the average age of 11 players is 226. This बोलते हैं ना 26. So the total age will be 286. How? देखो 11 player and average is 26. So the total age is 286 for the 11 players. What is the age of the youngest player of the team? What is the age of the youngest player of the team? Now you don't have to answer, sir. Answer is like 24 years. ऐसा नहीं answer देना है. You have to just tell me statement. We need statement 1 to answer, or statement 2 to answer, statement 3 to answer. Or we need all of them. Or we need just only 1 or only 2 like that. Now check the statement 3. The average age of 10 players other than the youngest player is 29 years, 25 years, 9 months. So 10 players age 25 years, 9 months. It means हो जाएगा आपका 25 to 50 years and 90 months. 90 months means it will be calculated as a year also. Now check. 11 players age is 286. 10 players age is 250 years. Just assume 250 years. So definitely the remaining age, like 36 or something, it will be 7 years, not 57. So it's like yours 21 something age will be there. Okay, but we don't have to calculate. But from the statement number 3, we can calculate the youngest player age like this 21 or 20 point something years. Why? Because in statement number 3, 10 players age is given other than the youngest player. So definitely if you minus from the total age, you will get the youngest player's age. So statement number 3 alone can solve the question. Now check the answer. All 3 statements are necessary. Nahi, only statement number 3 can answer. Check statement option number B. Statement number 3 only, अच्छा ये तो मिल रहा है. Or statement number 1 or 2, we didn't check statement number 1 or 2. Check more options. Statement number 1 and 2 only sufficient. नहीं, statement number 3 तो already is sufficient. Any 2 statements or 3 statements, 2 तो चाहिए नहीं, any 2, any 3, because alone can solve this one. So definitely the answer is B, because statement number 3 alone can solve, or statement number 1 or 2 both मिलके कर सकता है, both together. If you check statement number 1 or 2, this 2 can also solve the problem. Okay, but no need to check, because you are in competitive exam. You are not solving the paper for homework. इतना बुद्धि लगा दो, just be intelligent, be smart. So यहाँ पे दिख रहा है statement number 3 can only solve. तो वहाँ पे तो एक ही ऑप्शन है ना, जस्ट टिक द ऑप्शन बी and make it correct. So this was your NPSC average chapter wise PYQs, and we'll see in the next video again. I will meet in the next video with new chapter, new PIQ. Okay, chalo, see you.